Just imagine, what if your next smartphone was a pair of smart glasses? From AI assistance and live translation to augmented reality and hands-free communication, the future is closer than ever. Welcome to Tech Zone Update. If you love amazing technology and futuristic gadgets, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's explore the 15 most incredible smart glasses changing the future. Google Intelligent Eyewear. Just imagine walking through a new city, while your glasses quietly translate signs, guide you with turn-by-turn directions, and answer questions about everything you see. That's the vision behind Google Intelligent Eyewear. Powered by Android XR and Gemini AI, these smart glasses bring Google's latest artificial intelligence directly into your daily life. Developed with partners like Samsung, Qualcomm, Gentle Monster, and Warby Parker, they combine modern technology with stylish, everyday eyewear. Depending on the version, users can enjoy voice-controlled navigation, messaging, live translation, and hands-free assistance. Lucid Reebok Smart Eyewear. Just imagine going for a morning run while listening to your favorite playlist, answering an important phone call, and asking your AI assistant for directions. All without touching your smartphone. That's exactly what Lucid Reebok Smart Eyewear is built for. Designed for people with an active lifestyle. These smart glasses combine Reebok's sporty design with Lucid's wearable technology. The open-ear speakers let you enjoy music and calls while still hearing what's happening around you, making them a safer choice for runners, cyclists, and outdoor enthusiasts. Bluetooth connectivity allows seamless pairing with both Android and iOS. Even Reality's G2. Think about it. What if your smart glasses looked almost identical to ordinary eyewear, but quietly displayed helpful information whenever you needed it? That's the philosophy behind the Even Reality's G2. Weighing only around 36 grams, these lightweight glasses are designed for all-day comfort. Dual micro-LED waveguide displays project a clean monochrome interface directly into your field of view, giving you access to notifications, navigation, translations, and AI-powered assistance without feeling distracted. Instead of including cameras or speakers, the G2 relies on a 4-microphone array and your smartphone's processing power. Rokid AI Glasses Style. Just imagine asking your glasses to translate a foreign language, recognize an object, or capture an unforgettable moment from your own perspective. That's exactly what Rokid AI Glasses Style are designed to do. Weighing just 38.5 grams, these lightweight smart glasses are built for everyday comfort while offering powerful AI capabilities. A 12-megapixel Sony camera captures high-quality photos and smooth videos directly from your point of view, making every memory feel more natural. Powered by AI platforms like ChatGPT and Gemini, the glasses respond to voice commands, provide instant translations, identify objects, and assist with everyday tasks. Gesture controls. XREAL ROG R1. Just imagine turning your handheld gaming device into a massive virtual display wherever you go. Whether you're traveling, relaxing at home, or waiting at the airport, XREAL ROG R1 lets you enjoy a premium gaming experience without carrying a large monitor. Created through a collaboration between Asus Republic of Gamers and XREAL, these AR gaming glasses are built for speed and immersion. They project the equivalent of a giant virtual screen directly into your field of view, while the ultra-fast 240Hz refresh rate and extremely low response time deliver incredibly smooth gameplay. A simple USB-C connection makes setup quick and easy, while additional accessories expand compatibility with PCs and gaming consoles. Electrochromic lenses automatically adjust to different lighting conditions, and the integrated Bose audio Quark AI Glasses. Think about it. What if your glasses could translate conversations, recognize objects, guide you through unfamiliar places, and answer your questions instantly? That's the vision behind Quark AI Glasses. Developed by Alibaba, these AI-powered smart glasses are driven by the company's advanced Qwen large language model. Available in two versions, the flagship S1 and the lightweight G1, they are designed to bring practical AI into everyday life. The premium S1 model features dual micro-LED displays with waveguide optics, allowing users to see contextual information directly in their field of view. It also supports voice interaction, live translation, Nuance Audio Hearing Glasses. Just imagine wearing a pair of glasses that not only improves your vision but also helps you hear conversations more clearly in noisy environments. That's the unique innovation behind Nuance Audio Hearing Glasses. Developed by EssilorLuxottica, these smart glasses are specially designed for people with mild to moderate hearing loss. Directional microphones and advanced beamforming technology focus on the voice of the person you're facing while reducing distracting background noise. Open-ear speakers deliver clear sound naturally without blocking your ears, making conversations feel more comfortable and realistic. Through a companion mobile app, users can easily adjust amplification, listening modes, VITURE Helix. Just imagine you're working in a factory, a hospital, or even a research lab, and instead of stopping every few minutes to check a computer or smartphone, all the information you need appears right in front of your eyes. That's exactly the idea behind the VITURE Helix, designed for professionals. These AI-powered smart glasses let you keep both hands free while receiving real-time guidance, instructions, and important updates. They feature a 12-megapixel camera, multiple microphones, stereo speakers, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, allowing the glasses to understand what's happening around you and provide instant AI assistance. One of the most impressive features is its ability to connect with advanced AI systems that can guide workers through Oakley Meta AI Glasses. Think about it. What if your sunglasses could capture your best moments, answer your questions, play your favorite music, and even make phone calls without taking out your smartphone? That's exactly what the Oakley Meta AI glasses are designed to do, for people who love an active lifestyle. These smart glasses combine Oakley's iconic sports eyewear with Meta's advanced artificial intelligence. Users can record high-quality videos, take photos, listen to music, send messages, and access information simply by using voice commands. Built-in microphones and open-ear speakers provide a hands-free experience while keeping you aware of your surroundings. The lightweight frame, water-resistant